Hello guys! Welcome sa another vlog. So today we are going to, where are we going?
Toronto?
Cheesecake
Factory
sa Toronto. Yan. Kasi i-meet natin si Ate Benny, which is celebrate natin ang birthday ni Riley, birthday ni Ate Benny, and first communion ni Riley. Kasi wala si Ate Benny, she was in the Philippines nung nangyari ng lahat na yun. So today we're gonna go out for lunch to celebrate all of that. So say hi mama, say hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
And napakaganda ng weather today. Kita nyo naman. Yan, oh. Yeah, we're driving along Highway 400. And dapat ang may hawak ng camera yung isa dito, pero ako pa din. And we'll see you guys when we get to Cheesecake Factory. Alright? Yan, nandito na tayo sa Yorkdale. Hindi ko gano'n nagpupunta dito kasi laging daming tao. So ang daming sikip-sikip. Anyways, yan yung Cheesecake Factory. As far as I know, yan lang yung kaisa-isang location sa Canada, di ba? Kasi pinakamalapit sa atin sa Buffalo. Yan, si Mami Heidi. Mami Heidi, say hi.
Hi.
Yan, and then imimit na natin si Ate Benny. Let's go. Yan. I go inside. Nandiyan na si Ate Benny sa loob, naghihintay na. Laging matagal na waiting dito. Diretso sila, din na nakita natin sa mama. Yan. Ayun, mga bula. Oh, mamo, say hi.
Hello.
Oh.
Gusto nila na. Hinahanap siya.
Yan si Ate Benny.
May binisa. Sa loob ba yung number? Back.
Where did you get that? Who gave it to you?
Mamu.
Wow, palesa.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Sweet. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me do it first, okay?
Back.
Where did you get that? Who gave it to you?
Mamu.
Wow, palesa.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
So habang naghihintay kami, kinuha na ni Mami Heidi yung menu para makapagpo na siya. Nakapili na siya ng hindi masayang yung time. And then say hi Riley. Yan, nasa other side sila. Ito yung bungi, oh. Hi bungi. Well, ito yung mga madaming iba't ibang cheesecake dito. I think ito yung pinaka okay dito, strawberry cheesecake. Nice and simple lang siya. Ayan, yung iba't ibang cheesecake.
That's it po. Hey guys. Hey. Is this where to put you? Okay, this is for you.
So yan mga ka-daily, almost 2 hours of waiting. We finally got our table. Nagugutom na yung mga batuta. Ayan.
I got a better plate.
Hindi sila kumain.
Sorry,
Ayan.
better.
So, tingnan muna natin ang menu and we'll get back to you guys para maka-order na sila kasi nainit yung mga bata. So, complimentary bread and butter.
For you. Look, a piece of bread. Look. This is good.
And the wife
Riley,
and the kids are now ready to eat.
we're starting na.
Okay.
Uy, magkaroon na. Slide. Ulit na kayo ng kamawa ng wata.
Oh, and look at the drinks that the kids
Are just right there with the straws.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Baka na may hindi na mag-aanay. You're gonna put it in the pot.
Okay.
Mommy, I need to.
Ooh. Ahi nacho with tuna.
Yan yung aking orderin. Sabi ko na yun, nalimutan ko lang. Yung may crunchy siya.
Yeah, go ahead guys.
Wait, dan mo lang lagay sa...
Okay. Casey, good?
Yan.
Tama Someone's been waiting for her mac and cheese.
I've been waiting for it.
Oh my
Just your
goodness.
pork.
Oh my god, the boy needs pizza. Ayan.
It's gonna warm me up now. Oh my
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Careful, buddy.
Dandan, baka sobra init. You have to wait. Maburn yung
My
yung ano.
god.
O, naubos na daw ni Mama. Hindi daw maanghang.
You good? Riley, is it good? Alright. Alright, so all the
Maglalagay ka
orders
na
here
lang sa...
now.
Wala pa si Mama Presi?
And there we go.
No, ito yung mas malaking plato.
And we're
Give
ready
it.
to eat.
That one. Oh, there. Use that one.
Okay, it's yours, the
Parmesan.
thing? Taco?
No, Parmesan?
Ah, for me? No, thank you. Ayan, nalagyan mo ng pasta. I like it.
Oh, finally after that long wait, everybody's eating now.
It's so spicy. You still have rice. May kanin? No, no. Ang spicy? Oh my God.
To you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, Riley.
Riley, this is for
Birthday to you.
Thank
Oh
you.
my
What did you say?
Alright, Riley, go.
Not your birthday.
Birthday mo naman. 29.
But it's me.
Yeah, belated
I
celebration.
know. This is a late celebration.
Late celebration. Okay, blow it.
Okay. My wish is your command.
Just your eyes and then we.
Okay. Next. What's your wish? For mommy. Okay, ready? Ready? Go. Yeah, hey! Ang tamis naman yung strawberry. Banana ang ano.
So this is Mamo's late birthday, Riley's late birthday, and the recent one, Riley's first communion.
Yay! Hooray!
And my late. And my late.
Late birthday, your birthday's not late yet.
Nakita ko yung chocolate na yun.
Yeah. And we're finally done. Grabe, almost 4 hours altogether. So, Mamu, baka gusto mo bumate, Mamu.
Hello po! We're done! Ang tagal! It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait.
Yeah, so after lunch, lakad-lakad muna para matunaw ang kinain. The kids wants to go see the Lego store here in Bjorkdale, so we're gonna go there. And then, pahinga lang din. Balik na rin sa car. And we're finally here.
I don't know, I was just blowing and then I was moving my...
Lego store. Yeah.
Hello sir, recording devices need to be turned off inside the store. We don't have to allow that.
So, bawal daw mag-video sa loob ng Lego store for security purposes. Kaya hindi natin na video yung sa loob ng store. So, let's go. And tingnan natin kung saan nila gusto pumunta next. AC, let's go, buddy. Oh, can you dance, bro? We're in the Tesla store right now, and Pacey wanted to go sit inside Tesla. Right, Pacey?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Wait. Alright, go have a seat.
Can I go in the back?
Go to the other side, Riley.
How do you open it?
No, the other side. The other side.
Oh my gosh.
You like it? You can press the screen. It's touch screen.
How do you open it?
You press it first, and then the handle will come out. There you go.
Oh. Light show. How do we do light show?
Go press it. You guys like it? Look at their ceiling. Look. They don't make sound like that, but it's electric.
How do you press it? I need to put on my. It's actually from the car. No! They were actually
Yan mga
driving.
ka-daily, gusto makita ni Pace yung Tesla. Yan. Tingnan natin yung ceiling niya.
Counting stars and be happy.
Very basic, just one screen in the middle. It's good, you like it?
Oh my gosh.
Huh? So you open the door, you press this. Yan. Uy, may screen din dyan, Riley, oh. Look, there's a screen in front of you.
You can actually watch here.
I want to try the back.
Okay, go ahead.
This is so cool. Look at the Whoa. I actually love the front. Can we go in a different car?
No, we gotta go.
Wait, Casey, you're ruining the car for me. And this is not counting stars. Wait for me.
Okay, let's go.
Can I play video games first? No, can we go in a different car? Let's play video
No, there's
games.
someone inside, look.
Oh my
Oh, man.
Hey.
Oh, look what they found in the Tesla store.
Wait. I want to do the other side. Can we go in the other car?
There's someone inside the car. Oh, yeah, your shoeless.
Oh.
Come on.
Can you pass?
Yeah, it's not working, buddy. This is the Model X. Look at the door. Sure. I think so. Press it.
Press this?
The other one. Go.
Do that. This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Press it.
Just press it, face it.
Is this a pain? This is
Alright, let's go.
what?
Ooh, Pacey.
Ooh, map. Oh, hold on. Wait, Pacey, stop. Where's Barry? North.
It's not there, it's too far. We're too far from it.
看这个作为它这种凳子，我觉得就是说，它最开心的一种。
This is the best.
Oh, let's go.
Not yet.
Let's go.
Can we go on the second one?
No, Anna. Let's go, we gotta go.
One looks so cool.
Let's go.
Let's go to the next one.
Yan, palabas na kami finally. May pasok pa bukas. Well, I'm working bukas. Kami dalawa ni Mami Heidi both working. So, uwi na. Uwi na, Mami Heidi?
Yeah.
Huh?
Let's go home.
Yo, uwi na.